So in this video, we're going to take a look at one of the questions from your C6 note. Specifically, we're looking at the third combustion question, C, which is the complete combustion of hexane. So you did have to do a little bit of research here and look up hexane. And when you did that, you would find that it's C6H14. And since we're combusting, we are starting a fire, we're reacting with with oxygen, and we're producing water and CO2. Okay, so probably when you went to try to balance this, you did something like this. All right, I've got 6 carbons on my reactant side. So let's put a 6 in front of the CO2. And furthermore, I've got 14 hydrogens. So let's put a 7 in front of the H2O. So I get 7 groups of 2, 14 hydrogens. And if you did that, and then went to start to account for your oxygen, you'd see that you have 7 oxygen here from the water, and 6 times 2, so 12 oxygen here from the CO2, to give you a grand total of 19 oxygen. And that's actually a big problem. It's a big problem because oxygen comes in groups of 2, which means that we can't get 19 oxygen from some number of oxygen molecules. So we're in trouble here. And in fact, everything we've done so far is wrong. And this can happen when you start balancing. You think you're getting somewhere, but then it turns out, nope, you were wrong. You have to go back and try again. What you should usually do at that point is double up on your original starting amount. So now I have twice as much hexane, which means that I've got 2 groups of 6, I've got 12 carbons, and I can have 12 CO2 here. Furthermore, I've got 28 hydrogens. 2 times 14 hydrogens is 28 hydrogens. So I'm going to need 14 H2O to balance out those hydrogens. Now, with these giant numbers, I'm actually good to go. I've got 14 oxygen out of my water, and I've got 24 oxygen out of my carbon dioxide. Altogether, that gives me 38 oxygen. And 38 is an even number. We can use 19O2 to make 38 oxygen, and therefore, we are balanced at that point, with the coefficients 2, 19, 14, 12. Obviously, these are quite large as far as these coefficients go, but that can happen especially in combustion reactions, especially as you go down the page and you're looking at something like the combustion of paraffin, way down below, you get a lot of oxygen, or water, and carbon dioxide. All right, so we'll go over the rest of these in class tomorrow, and I will see you guys then.